If you're seeing CapCut error 120, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get your export working again. This error is usually caused by a hardware acceleration issue, a weak internet connection, the wrong export location, or a corrupted cache. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware acceleration inside CapCut. To do that, open CapCut and go to the menu in the top left corner. From there, click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go over to the Performance tab. Here, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This setting can sometimes cause export errors like 120, especially if your device has driver conflicts or unsupported encoding settings. Uncheck that box, then click Save. After that, restart the export and see if the issue is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is your network connection. Even though this is an export error, CapCut can still rely on a stable internet connection for certain features, especially if your project includes cloud assets, synced resources, or online processing, so make sure your connection is strong and stable. A quick way to confirm this is by running a speed test in your browser. If your internet is slow or dropping out, try switching networks, restarting your router, or using a more stable connection before trying the export again. Now let's move on to the export destination. Sometimes CapCut runs into problems when the output folder is set to a location that is harder to access, like a synced cloud folder or an external drive with permissions issues. To avoid that, change the export location to a local folder directly on your hard drive. The easiest option is usually your desktop or another folder on your main drive. That gives CapCut a simpler path to save the file and can instantly remove export-related errors. After changing the location, try exporting the video again and see if it completes normally. If the problem still isn't fixed, the next step is to clear your cache. Over time, CapCut builds up temporary files, and if those files become corrupted, they can cause all kinds of strange behavior, including export failures. To clear the cache, go back to Menu, then open Settings again. This time, click on the Drafts tab. Look for the cache size option and click the trash icon next to it. Confirm that you want to delete the cache. Once it's cleared, restart CapCut and try your export again. This step is especially helpful if the error started happening after a lot of editing or after CapCut updated in the background. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix CapCut error 120, first disable hardware acceleration, then check your network, change the export destination to a local folder, and finally clear your cache. Going through these steps in order will solve the issue for most users without any complicated troubleshooting. If one fix doesn't work, just move to the next one until the export starts working again. I hope this video helped you get rid of CapCut error 120. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick editing tips, fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.